Hey loves, it's your girl Miss Crystal and welcome back to the channel. And as you can tell from the title today, it's all about the salmon croquette. So today, what you need to do this recipe for the salmon croquette that I'm about to show you today is a can of salmon. I like the Deming's pink wild caught Alaskan salmon. As you know, it's a natural source of omega-3 fatty acid, which is good for our brain health and for our heart, and it's also a good source of protein. Now, for the purposes of this video, I already opened the can, as you see right here, and it's in the bowl. And I already cleaned the salmon. I got all that nasty stuff out, the bones. So make sure that when you are doing this, you clean your salmon. Make sure you clean it good. I have bell pepper and onion cut up. I have lemon cut up for afterwards. I have Land O'Lakes honey butter to put on my salmon patties afterwards. For seasoning today, we're using sea salt, Cajun season, the basil leaves, parsley flakes, garlic powder, and also white pepper. And you also need 1 egg. Where's my egg? You need 1 egg because this is 1 can. So I'm about to mix this all together, loves, and I'll be right back after I mix it all together. Okay, loves, I forgot to also say that you're going to need flour for this also. You can use cornmeal. Cornmeal is optional. I actually like to use cornmeal. I just don't have any cornmeal today, so I'm using flour. I mixed it all together. The egg, the flour, the bell pepper, the onion, and the seasonings, of course. No butter goes in there and no lemon. Now, if you want to put lemon juice or lemon squeeze in there now, you can. It's totally optional. I just like to put mine afterwards. Once you got everything mixed together, you're going to patty it out. The 1 can, as you can see, depending on the size that you like your salmon croquette, makes quite a few salmon patties. Now, once you patty it out, you put it in the grease. This is what the salmon looks like as it's cooking. Beautiful golden brown. I am also having corn with my salmon. That's actually melted butter right there. And I'm also having rice with my salmon. I love salmon, rice, and corn. And I'm going to actually do me some bread and butter as well. Now you can kind of eyeball the salmon and look and see when, as you see, this is a very nice and firm salmon patty. So you want to flip it. Some people don't flip theirs. It's totally up to you. It's optional. But as you see, you can flip it. But as you know, this salmon that's in the can is basically already done. You can actually eat this raw if you wanted to, or over salad. As you can see, this patty is nice and golden brown. It only takes about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to cook. So we're going to take this out and let the grease drain off. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to place it over here on the plate and drain. And then we're going to place more salmon patties in the grease. Okay, love, we have more salmon patties in here, and they're looking gorgeous. They're cooking and coming right along. Now, after I'm done making my salmon croquette, I like to take, excuse me with that lighting. I like to take my butter knife, and I like to put some butter on top of my salmon, like that. And this honey butter that I have from Land O'Lakes, I do want to say it's worth going to get. This butter is absolutely the bomb. You might want to try it. And it gives the salmon a beautiful sweet taste. Comment down below if you like salmon croquettes with breakfast. Some people like to make them with salmon, scrambled eggs, or fried eggs with grits. Some people like to eat them for brunch with hash browns. Some people like salmon for dinner, like I'm having it for dinner tonight with rice and corn and bread and butter. You can have salmon any time of day. That's a wonderful thing about it. And as you see, it's very easy to make. If you follow the steps that I showed you today and use the ingredients that I told you to use, you will be thanking me. Let me know if you use my recipe and my technique, and let me know how it came out for you. Alright, I'll be right back after we take these out the skillet. As you see, loves, the salmon croquette is beautiful. It is golden brown and all that good stuff. We got the rice on the plate, we had the corn on the plate, and we also had the bread and butter. Now we're about to put the salmon on the plates. Let me see which pieces I want. I'm going to eat just 2 for now. That can did make, let's get a look at that. And this was like a 30-minute meal. This was done in less than 30 minutes. The one can did make, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 patties. So 2 cans make 16 patties, and that's enough to feed probably a family of 4. And we have our lemon that we're going to put on top. I might as well just go ahead and squeeze that, right? Like quit playing, because I'm about to eat this. Beautiful. That is parsley and basil on top of the rice, by the way. And let's get rid of this lemon seed. And then it's time to eat. And there you are, salmon croquette for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's all up to you what side you want to put with it.